Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn SQL for data analysis. Start by understanding what SQL is and why it's crucial for anyone working with data. We'll cover the foundational commands that form the backbone of almost every data query. You'll learn how to select specific information, filter results, and combine data from different sources. This guide will help you build a solid base for your data analysis journey. Next, let's dive into the core SQL commands you'll use daily. The select statement retrieves data, while from specifies the table, where filters rows based on conditions, and group by aggregates data into groups. Order by sorts your results. Understanding these 5 commands is fundamental. Practice writing queries that combine them to solve real-world data problems, building your confidence with each successful execution. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to explore more advanced techniques. Join are crucial for combining related data across different tables, allowing for richer analysis. Subqueries enable you to perform nested queries, solving more intricate data challenges. Window functions provide powerful ways to perform calculations across a set of table rows that are related to the current row, enhancing your analytical capabilities significantly. The best way to solidify your SQL knowledge is through consistent practice and real-world projects. Find public datasets online and challenge yourself to answer specific questions using SQL. Consider contributing to open-source projects or participating in data analysis competitions. Aim for at least 1 hour of practice daily. This hands-on experience is invaluable for transforming theoretical knowledge into practical expertise, preparing you for data analysis roles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.